You wrote data to an XML file in Lesson 9.9. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use C# code to read the data back from your XML file. To begin, open the Textland project from your Sample Files folder. And open the code behind file of xml.aspx. Now add a using line for system.xml. Next, remove all code from the if statement in the button upload XML click event handler. Now you'll need to add some code to the if statement to retrieve an XML document object from the file upload control on this page. Add the following code: XML document equals new XML document document.load file upload XML .file content. Now you'll need to add some code to extract the quote tags from the XML document. Add the following code on the next line: XML node list quotes equals document dot get elements by tag name quote. This code extracts all of the quote tags from the XML document and places them in the resulting XML node list object. Note that a complex XML document might contain quote tags in multiple areas, making the getElementsByTagName method inappropriate. In this situation, you could extract the XML nodes using the XML documents hierarchy. To recreate this lesson's example, you would first need to extract an XML node object for the document's root node. You could do this by using the document.firstChild property to get the first tag from the top level of the document. To get all of the nodes contained within the root node, you can use its child nodes property. All XML node objects have a child nodes property that allows you to extract all of the XML node objects that they contain. Next, you'll need to add some code to cycle through the collection of quote nodes. Add the following code on the next line: string HTML result equals table for each XML node quote in quotes HTML result plus equals end table. You're going to output the XML data into an HTML table in the same way as you did with a CSV file in Lesson 9.8. You'll now need to add some code to the for each statement to extract the values from the HTML nodes. Add the following code inside the for each statement: HTML result plus equals tr/td HTML result plus equals quote dot attributes quote date dot value plus endtd HTML result plus equals td plus quote dot attributes quote value dot value HTML result plus equals end td end tr. This code extracts the quote date and quote value values from the XML node objects and adds them to the HTML table. Finally, you'll need to add some code to display the table on the page. Add the following code at the end of the if statement. Label result dot text equals HTML result. Now let's test your code. View xml.aspx in your web browser. Now click Browse. Navigate to See Practice ASP.NET Expert. Click marketdata.xml and click Open. You created marketdata.xml in lesson 9.9. If you haven't completed that lesson, you can obtain the file by downloading the complete sample files from learnasp4.com. Now click Upload XML. The XML file is read and displayed on the page in a table. Note that as well as using the XML document class, you can read XML data using the XML text reader class. The XML text reader class is only capable of reading XML files, while the XML document class is capable of both reading and writing XML files. Close your web browser now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 9.10. Read data from an XML file.